Hello, today we'll show you how to easily and cheaply replace the battery in V-Moda headphones, so that you can use them for days without charging. The first task is to remove the left side AirPod and unscrew the headphone housing. Then buy a new replacement battery based on the model or battery size measurements. To remove the old battery, you need to unscrew the charging board. Next, desolder both wires and use tape to insulate the battery's red wire to avoid short circuits or any battery explosions. Remove the double-side tape from the old battery, as it will be used for the new replacement battery. I choose a bit larger replacement battery because there is enough space in the headphone housing, in that way allowing my headphones to last longer than they originally did. Cut off the connector from the new battery, as I won't need it. Then cut the outer jacket from both wires. Tin both wires to make soldering to the board easier. Solder the battery wires back onto the charging board, making sure that the battery wires are connected to the correct contacts with 110% accuracy. Place the double-side tape back inside the headphone housing and insert the new battery so that the wires are facing downward. Screw the charging board plate back in place, reassemble the headphone housing, screw it together and reattach the AirPods. Turn on the headphones and check if they work. Nice, they are working, and the phone detects them. Great, I hope this was helpful and good luck.